Minasan konnichiwa. Now JLPT is nearby, and in Digital Nihongo we have started with revision sessions for JLPT. Today we are going to discuss one reading comprehension related to JLPT N4 level. You must be knowing that there are different types of comprehensions in JLPT exam. So small passages followed by one question, long passage followed by two questions. Sometimes there might be flyers, brochures. These kind of comprehensions are also there. Today we are going to do a short passage. In this, you are supposed to read the passage and answer the one question which is based on that passage. Okay, let me share the screen and we will start. Now see, this is a passage. Actually, this is a board outside the park, outside one park, and this is the question. Okay, I always recommend to read the question first. Question is, Kono oshirase kara koen ni tsuite wakaru koto wa nan desu ka? Okay, these are the options. What do you understand about the park? Koen no iriguchi ni kono oshirase ga arimasu. Oshirase is notice. 公園で遊ぶときの注意。公園が空いている時間は午前6時から午後9時までです。9時です。これ以外の時間は入れません。自転車やオートバイは公園の入り口に止めてください。中に入れてはいけません。公園の中で次のことをしてはいけません。ボールを使って遊ぶこと、タバコを吸うこと。Let's see different options. 午後10時に公園に入ってもいいです。これが×です。時間は6時から9時です。入り口にオートバイを止めてはいけません。Yes? 入り口に止めてください。そう、これも×です。サッカーの練習をしてはいけません。これは正解です。This is the correct answer because ボールを使って遊ぶことしてはいけません。タバコを吸ってもいいです。タバコを吸ってはいけませんからこれも×です。一番いいものは3番です。正解は3番です。Okay. So now in these days, I'll be making more and more videos related to revision for JLPT. Follow and subscribe to the channel to know more. ありがとうございます。